Good evening, Sandy Chiu, our board advisor for Scholastic Trust Singapore, our staff, as well as all our Yala scholars. Welcome to Yala 2025. This is our 8th edition, okay? Here we are in Shenzhen, China. So this is the second year we've run in China, and I'm looking forward to sharing what we are trying to do.
Next, representing Laos, Rona Duangmala. Representing Malaysia, Ronan Dwi Shania.
Malaysia boleh!
From Maldives, Naz Mohammad Rashid. From Myanmar, Catherine. From Philippines, and only will be representing Triple Gathering, who is unable to be with us at this time. Representing Singapore, Ern from Thailand, Timo Ipada Banjo. Representing Uzbekistan, M. Aliona. Last but definitely not least, from Vietnam, Ha Quang Linh.
Being a great Yala servant leader is you get a collaborative and a very effective team. I think this is what we're all about. We want to see great teamwork.
Last year, so I met again this year, the same country that we were last year. Now, this is not the full camp. We are still expecting another half more to about 70 more people to come. Unfortunately, the traveling takes time, immigration, so on and so forth. So they will slowly trickle in and join you as we go along. So this year we are expecting 150 people. Yeah, similar to last year. Okay, before we start the whole ball rolling, I want to ask a few questions, okay? Can I invite all of you? First of all, I know some of you are playing games on your phone. Stop the game first, stop the game. Yeah, some of you play the game. Instead of doing the game, can I invite you all to answer a few questions, okay? I want to hear from all of you. Can I invite you to scan the QR code?
This ain't working in our favor. This ain't working in our Okay, I think we can just start now. Start?
Really?
Yeah, I think we done it.
Why does the sink talk to me? While the sink can talk to me, so if I'm alone, they can talk to me. I'm alone. That's loneliness. Okay.
Then, I forgot to tell you, we have a fan.
A fan. Why does this fan blowing? Stop blowing again. Stop blowing again. Is it damaged? Okay. Off the fan. It's working very hard. I'm very worried the fan breaks. Okay, the sink.
That's a sink and that's a hot tub.
A what?
Hot tub. Yeah, and we don't have a shower.
Oh, this is a shower. Okay, I want to try going into the shower. How do I open this?
This is the shower and this is the hot tub.
Oh, the hot tub.
Hot tub, yeah.
Oh wow, there's a tub in this. Okay, so if I go in, it's really small. And the shower head is not even. I need to squat down to shower. Okay. Wow, this is the walk-in.
You forgot about the shower.
I forgot about the shelf. Oh, shelves. Okay. Okay, one of the hallmarks of a good shelf is they can hold a lot of weight, right? Give me a bag. All right, let's try. Well, okay, the shelf looks a bit shaky. It's like, okay, it still works. It's sturdy. Okay. All right. Okay, then what's this?
Here we have a chair and another chair and a table.
A chair, table. Okay, how do I push? I noticed the chair there's no space to push. So how do someone sit? The side.
No, the chair is already like
Okay,
ready.
so if I want to sit on the chair,
Like, come check.
so I can just talk to the chair, right? Please move.
Yes, come to.
Okay, it's talkative. Okay, ready? I'm gonna sit, okay? And... Okay, very comfortable, very comfortable. People, you do know you need to present that thing, right? Yes, sir. Wait, so that's a really good question. What if it touches the roof? All monuments destroyed. Okay? Basically, you're going to keep it somewhere in the space in between. Okay? Ready? And your last 10 minutes to finish the monument starts now. Bye-bye. Sorry, you're going to rebuild everything. Back to your eyes. Back to your eyes. Your 9 minutes starts now. People, here we go.
So we made an igloo because like us greenhouse, we're really cool people and like igloos are really cold, so like you know. And then in the winter, igloos it keeps people warm on the inside, so it's like we're cool on the outside, but we have warm hearts on the inside.
This balloon made is basically a very mini labubu with a dress.
Oh, it's Labubu. Why Labubu? Please don't tell me.
They are comfortable and wanted to make it a labubu.
Labubu is there. You see, you don't even recognize your own monument.